Hi there, friends. My name is Danny the Deer. Welcome to our magical forest. We have so much fun here. And today, I want you to meet my best friends who live here with me. They're all so excited to see you.
Hello everyone, I'm Max the monkey. I love to swing from tree to tree and eat yummy bananas. What do you like to eat?
Hi, I'm Rosie the Rabbit. I love to hop around the forest, and I love munching on crunchy carrots. Yum! Can you hop like me?
Hello there, I'm Gina the Giraffe. I have a very long neck that helps me reach tasty leaves at the top of trees. I like to look around and see everything from up high. What can you see?
Ooh, hello little ones. I'm Oliver the Owl. I like to fly at night and use my big eyes to see in the dark. I can help my friends find their way when it's really dark. Do you like looking at the stars?
Wasn't that fun meeting all my friends? We love living in the forest and learning new things every day. Thank you for visiting us. We can't wait to see you again soon. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.